guys, look who it is. She's back. If they don't know who you are, go ahead, just remind them.
I am Daniela Oliveira and I am back.
Listen, today, got a good treat for you guys. Nanlite sent over the 720C. It is behind us. It's RGB. I'm gonna show you guys all about it today. I wanna get to shooting, so I'm not gonna keep chatting, but I'll give you guys the specs and all that stuff. But we're gonna start off with a 2-light setup. Right now we have the Nanlite 500 in front of us. Softbox with a grid. And yeah, I'll tell you guys all about the lighting setup. I'll do a little voiceover, but let's get to shooting. Guys, so I switched up the lighting setup. We're gonna do a 3-light setup. All Nanlite. We got the 500 right here, we got the 720 right here, and we got the Pablo tube right here. And then we're gonna be using 2 V-flats. We wanna keep it a little bit negative and try to mitigate the spill that's coming in from here and in the back, but I can't do too much about that. And yeah, we're gonna use this as a little kicker just to separate her a little bit, because when I took the practice shot, it looked good, but she didn't pop out from the background. So we're switching it up, keeping it all Nanlite. And yeah, you guys just stay tuned. And I'm gonna be using the Atomos, so now you guys can get 2 views. You guys can see my settings and all that. Starting off at F4 as usual. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. So you guys can see a pro working, and I don't mean myself. I'm talking about Daniela. Perfect. And as usual, I'm just starting off. Right now I'm shooting with the 35 Tamron. 150 f2/2.8. Now I actually like this lens a lot because it's very versatile, and I can go shoot from 35 to 150. It's kind of a bulkier lens, but it's pretty decent. That's perfect right there. Can I have you look this way? Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. I actually like the full body ones in this. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. That's perfect. 3, 2, 1. And then the Pablo tube right there, just giving a slight little light behind her. That's separating her right shoulder away. And that's perfect right there. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, chin up just a little. 1. Perfect. There we go. And what I'm gonna do right now, hold this pose right here. I'm gonna switch one thing. All right, guys, so what I did right there was I put the Pablo tube right behind her, but you know, it's a Pablo tube. She blocks it, and that's just giving her a little bit more separation from the background. So let's take a couple more shots. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Perfect. Hold that. I'm just going to move myself. Okay, 3. Let's actually do that like this. Yep. And then turn a little bit more. Opposite this way. Yeah. So that way we can still block you from the light right behind you. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And then 2, and then eyes that way. Yes. 1. Perfect. 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1, and then just a little bit right there. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. And then, yes, that is sick. I like these.
It's looking so good.
Yeah.
I like this effect in the background.
See, she likes the Nanlite in the background.
Oh, I like that.
Yes, very different. We've been shooting different things, and I like it. Okay guys, so now we switched up the lighting setup. All I did was take the Nanlite and switch it from hitting the background to now it's hitting Daniela. So now you can see on this side, light right here, and then there's a little bit right here. That's also coming from the 720 and the Pavo 2 over here. 2, 1. And this is just a really simple lighting setup. It's 3 lights, but you can get away with 2. And then 2 V flats. Just adding some contrast. 3, 2, 1. 1. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Three, 2, 1. Perfect. 2, 1, and then I switched it up again, guys. I moved the key light to my left to feather it and not just be straight on. This is creating a little bit more contrast on her right side. Well, her left side, my right side. Perfect. And this. And then let's try one turn this way. Yep, just like that. 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. I like it. All right, guys, so we are setting up for our second look. We have the Nanlites all around. We got the FC-720C. It's gonna be the key light again. We got the star of the show, the 720C over here. This is the RGB that's hitting with the blue over here. Then we also have another 500 back there. And then we have the Pavo tube right there. So you wanna get Nanlite out, you gotta come to Serenity Studios, all right? Because as you can see, you got all the Nanlites you need. You can light the sky up right now. We're gonna move this to the background and then use this to separate her a little bit. But right now, we're just testing, we're just working and seeing how I can actually use this into my kit. Usually what I would do with RGB lights is more for like music videos or something creative. Not too much for photo shoots, honestly. I don't really use too much color most of the time, but we're gonna change that. So, and 1. And right now I told Daniela to just flow. So this is also a masterclass in posing. So if you guys are watching, you're a model, just look at the way she moves. Every couple of clicks, she's changing it up ever so slightly. Perfect. Three, 2, 1. Perfect. Three, 2, 1. Perfect. 1. Perfect. 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. Three, 2, yes. Perfect. Is that sick? I like these. 1. Perfect. And then look that way. Yes. Perfect. Yep, together. And then back straight, just like that. 3, 2, 1. That's all, Danny. Got it. 2. Perfect. Once again, guys, masterclass in posing right now. And I'm just showing you guys how to get a little creative with the lighting setups. Doesn't take too much. and with Nanlite, anything is possible. So right now, I use the blue obviously because she has a yellow bodysuit, and obviously blue and yellow contrasting colors. So just wanted to make sure it made sense with the lighting setup. Perfect. 2, 1. Perfect. Perfect. Chin up just a little. Come on, we got that.
These ones are so good.
Sick, like that.
Look
This.
at that, so good.
There you have it. We just used the Nanlite 720C. I personally loved it. What did you think about today's shoot?
I love it, the combination of the different lights and also the colors of the outfit, the posing, the energy, everything. I'm super excited to see all the results.
Same here. If you guys didn't know, she is back. We're gonna be doing some more photo shoots because she has been world traveling everywhere that I wanna go, but I haven't been. Don't forget to check out the link down below. Nanlite did not sponsor this video, by the way. This is not sponsored. They just sent it over to me, but I do actually like the light. I've been using it in part of my kit. I love the RGB. Unless you get a little bit more creative, because usually most of the lights I have are bicolored. So don't forget to check the link down below, and don't forget to follow Dani on Instagram and her new YouTube. We're gonna put all that over here or over here somewhere. Do not forget, you better follow right now, all right? So I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Perfect.
Good.